Welcome back to the street. Well, it's been a dramatic morning concerning the future of Evergrande, and Emily Tan has an update. Emily?
A winding up order has been issued by the Hong Kong court on Evergrande. Shares in the mainland property developer alongside its two listed units have been suspended from trade. The property developer shares tanking as much as 24% ahead of this announcement. Of course, the court commenced proceedings about 1 hour ago at 9:30, and these are the latest developments. Evergrande shares hitting record lows ahead of the announcement by the court judge. Now, Evergrande, for its part, can still appeal this order, but what we do know is that in the daily cause list at 2:30 p.m. Hong Kong time, a hearing has already been scheduled in for what they call a regulating order, and what that means is that the court would regulate the winding up order and even appoint a liquidator. So a provisional liquidator is expected to be named at 2:30 p.m. Hong Kong time. This also makes history. This is the first court-ordered liquidation that we are seeing take place here, and what it will mean for the rest of the mainland property developers, because this is not the only one that has defaulted and not the only one that has been issued with winding up orders by some of its creditors. So we're going to be watching what happens here. The fallout in the rest of the mainland property space. If you could pull up the mainland property index, we have come off the day's highs. The last time we checked in here about half an hour ago, it was rallying about 3.5%, and we have lost some of that altitude. We are still better on the day, but now just up 1.8%. Looking at the rest of the property stocks, they have also come off the day's highs. Pretty obvious as to why, because you can see it on the mainland property index, but still pretty sizable gains here. KWG shares up 5%. We got Country Garden better for almost 3%.